Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine, and today we're going to talk about the latest trend from Korea,
Double Serum. The whole goal of this is to achieve multi-benefits from mixing and again layering. The double serum trend doesn't only include serums, it's actually all of the treatments that we believe are concentrated with key ingredients. So that could include essences or ampoules, and sometimes the treatments that are called concentrates, right?
Yes. The first thing to look for is textures. You always want to start with the lightest texture moving to the heavier textures. So, for example, let's say something like the CENTELLA ASIATICA Calming Ampoule, which is basically kind of like a serum water almost.
It's a full-on liquid.
So liquid, and just you can see that drip right there. And you would apply this first versus something that's maybe a little bit more emollient, like the artichoke serum.
And the reason for this is because the lighter the texture, the faster and deeper it absorbs into your skin and penetrates better.
Let's go through a few cocktail or recipe recommendations for double seruming. What's your skin hungry for today?
What would it take for my skin to be glass skin status?
I mean, holy grail. So we want to use obviously serums that have great brightening ingredients, but once again, keeping the texture in mind, I would say you'd start off with the ginger and vitamin C serum shot. This is a new serum from the brand Sweet Chef. It was cooked up in the kitchen by the teams behind Glow Recipe, and it's really all about great vegetable ingredients meets really efficacious vitamins. It also has turmeric in it, which is another great brightening ingredient in addition to ginger.
Turmeric.
On top,
you would add the beet serum shot, which comes from the same brand, Sweet Chef. This actually is amazing because we learned that beet naturally resurfaces and retexturizes the skin. So it's a very powerful ingredient that's also gentle at the same time. And this is mixed with vitamin A. So let's try mixing the two together. And then just a drop of the beet serum.
very pretty. That, and then you can just apply it and pat it into the face. I'm just gonna apply it actually.
It just became like a nice consistency that's kind of liquidy but has that gel and bounce. What about you, Christine? What's your skin craving right now?
So my skin is craving some major hydration. I'm waking up every morning feeling really tight and flaky.
We have a recipe that's really amazing for that extra hydration. We're calling it Hydrate to the Max. We have two serums that you can cocktail or layer together for that hydration. This is a beet serum shot and a kale serum shot. We just introduced beet, so I'm gonna go straight to what kale is all about. This has this beautiful emollient, milky texture that feels like a warm hug to the skin, but it just disappears once again, fully absorbed into the skin. So if you mix this gel-like texture of beet serum with it, I'll just show you how it works.
So beet first.
Beet first. Look at how beautiful this color is.
That is pretty.
And you just cocktail it together. It becomes this really nice, glowy, smoothing effect. What we love about the kale serum shot is that kale is not only amazing for moisturizing, but when mixed with vitamin B, it really helps to penetrate deeper with that hydration and nourishing effect.
So if you have dryness concerns, you do want to look for serums that have humectants like hyaluronic acid or glycerin to make sure that your skin's pulling in that moisture. What's another skin ideal in addition to glass skin?
I would say bouncy skin. Bouncy when you feel that nice little flick on your cheek and it just comes right up. What's the recipe for making it bounce?
Making it bounce. So you need a lot of nourishment. You would need good humectant ingredients once again, and then also some brightening ingredients to make sure that your skin is really reflecting that light and has that lit from within glow.
I think the foundation of this can be a nice occlusive, which is your facial oil. This is a nice oil that we like from Hwamisa.
And then you would add in the ginger serum,
which is amazing for brightening.
A little bit of brightening. And then the kale, which is a blend of kale, hyaluronic acid, and
vitamin B. I love that the kale texture just kind of like melted right into this facial oil. What about for skin that is super sensitive and needs that soothing, calming effect?
Some of the best soothing ingredients that I love to use include CICA.
CICA is always a good one.
Also known as tiger grass. And then another ingredient we've come across is green propolis. So this ingredient is really great to soothe and calm the skin as well.
ASIATICA from Yuri Pibu is a really nice calming ampule, which is super concentrated. I think it has over 95% of CICA.
And then adding in a little bit of this gorgeous milky texture. And this is the Mig Prem Safe Me Relief Moisture Green Ampule. Quite a name. But the primary ingredient is green propolis, which is actually harvested in Brazil. And it's an amazing ingredient once again for soothing.
Our final tip today is recipe for pore concerns. So the first one is the beet serum shot from Sweet Chef once again. But another one that's really interesting is the artichoke power essence. This is so amazing in terms of the ingredient artichoke. It has, I think, over 65% of artichoke in the entire formula. And artichoke is really known for whipping up sagging pores.
Sagging pores is a really scary term.
It's really frightening.
So it's when pores start to point downwards because
and
not
diagonal.
only, exactly like rice grains, because not only are the pores enlarged, your skin is losing kind of the firmness, so everything is pointing downwards.
So let's see what the texture looks like when you mix the two. Maybe I'll just try it on your hand. Starting with the beet serum shot, I just added 1 drop of it. And then this is a nice pump format. When you mix the two,
Just blends right in once again.
it becomes this like baby pink color, and then it just disappears. So there are some myths that vitamins shouldn't be used together. So for example, there's a question around, whether vitamin C or vitamin A can be mixed together.
It's been shown in recent studies that antioxidants like vitamin C can actually extend the efficacy of retinol/vitamin A.
The other thing to note is, it's all about the percentage and how the ingredient is blended into the final formula.
Another combo that you might want to be careful with is mixing your retinol with your
BHA. Our overall approach to skincare is to be gentle. So if we know that acids and retinol sometimes don't really work together to create the best, reaction, the best way is to avoid it and try using BHA on the day that you're not using retinol or vitamin A. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts on your favorite recipes or any questions you might have in the comments below.
And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.
Get your glow on!